Unlock a more powerful and private AI experience by seamlessly integrating Deepseek with Janitor AI through a proxy. This tutorial will guide you through setting up Deepseek's advanced capabilities within your Janitor AI, ensuring a secure and high-performance interaction with artificial intelligence. The first step is to locate your Deepseek API endpoint. This is essentially the address where Janitor AI will find and communicate with the Deepseek model. You'll typically find this information within your Deepseek account or documentation. Next, navigate to the settings within your Janitor AI platform. Look for a section dedicated to API connections or model integrations. This is where you'll input the details for your Deepseek proxy. Now, open the Deepseek Proxy setup. This might involve creating a new proxy connection or editing an existing one. You'll likely need to enter the Deepseek API endpoint you located earlier into the designated field for the proxy server address. You may also be prompted for additional authentication details, such as an API key or specific credentials provided by Deepseek for secure access. Carefully enter this information to establish a trusted link. Once all the necessary proxy and authentication information is entered, save your changes within Janitor AI. The platform will then attempt to connect to the Deepseek model via the proxy server. If successful, you should see a confirmation that your Deepseek model is now integrated and ready to go. This connection enhances both the processing speed and the privacy of your AI interactions. You can now enjoy the advanced features of Deepseek within the familiar and user-friendly Janitor AI environment, knowing your communications are protected. Now go forth and experience a more streamlined, private, and powerful AI interaction with your Deepseek-powered Janitor AI.